And good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm your host, Eric, on Eric's weather forecast. Um, I basically want to ask everyone questions here. I just basically want to know what your guys' weather conditions are like over in your area. If you could please let me know in the chats. That would be good. Once again, I'm going to be asking questions on how the conditions are and all that good stuff. So, this is my first live stream. So, I just wanted to actually find out what the conditions are across the Midwest, and it all depends on where you're at. The other question is which areas might see more, which areas might see less. Let me know. I'd love to hear from you. These are just basically just questions. So feel free to ask. I don't know. There's this microphone thing. I don't know what it's for. But the other thing is, are any of you guys gonna get like the between 10 to 12 inches of snow? I just been wondering what state you live in, how much snow you think you'll get. Just trying to start a conversation here because at 7 o'clock, that's when it will start with the questions and answers and stuff like that. So um, if you do know how much snow you're getting, let me know what the conditions are there. Is it going to be icy or whatever? Um, just a current update um, would be would be good if you can do that. That'd be awesome. But like I said, this is my first time doing this. I'm a little nervous, but um, I wanted to surprise you guys. So um, yeah, just let me know, guys. I'm just waiting patiently. Just wanted to know what your guys' weather's like out where you're at. I'm waiting patiently here. 'Cause I have another live stream in an hour. Um, so I'm just waiting patiently. So I'm not exactly for sure what happened here, but um, anyway, while I'm waiting, um, I can tell you for the most part, it's been actually rather a very cold day. Today, as a matter of fact, I know I had to bundle up. It's been actually a very, very cold day today, as a matter of fact. To be honest with you, it's been rather cold today. I know yesterday it was very cold, like basically trying to stay warm and everything. So I'm just um, staying in the house where it's warm and everything, but it has been rather cold outside. And yeah, just waiting for some answers and stuff. So hopefully you guys get the idea. I see that I have someone, at least I got one person, so that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Um, okay, I'm just trying to think here. I am excited. I am excited. Okay, it looks like now. I guess I'll have to stick around now. I am excited, you guys, about um, the snowstorm. I don't know. I'm gonna wait and see. I'm just really excited about it. I'm hoping we get something out of it, which would be nice. Um, I'm just uh, waiting, but I'm gonna check something really quick. Let me see. Okay. Yeah, I just checked the computer and I'm watching it. All I know is that Michigan is under winter weather advisories. I know that much. So I've been monitoring it all day. I'm just having a conversation with you guys and stuff, just trying to keep things going because, like I said, this is the first time I've ever done a live stream before. I got my new camera today, as a matter of fact. So I'm really excited about that because I've been looking forward to doing this, and I'm just actually ready uh, for some action here. Um, as I go along, I'll give you guys some updates and stuff. I can see that things are really starting to roll. Oh, I need to start paying attention. Oh, okay. I'm actually doing good. What is the question? Oh, oh, okay. Trying to figure out what the question is. Okay, so I basically want to know from all of you guys, thank you very much. I'm glad that I'm doing this live. I'm just really, really excited, you guys. I'm really glad that I'm doing this live stream. I was trying to figure out where the live chat thing was so I could answer your guys' questions and stuff. So, yes, thank you, Adrian's weather forecast. Thank you so much. You are very awesome. I'm really glad that we're in contact with each other. Thank you so much for making everything happen. You're awesome. You're great. Um, I really, really always look forward to your weather forecast. I've been spending a lot of time watching your weather forecasts and everything. Is just absolutely amazing, Adrian. You don't know how much I like your forecasts. They are very, very accurate. I know there are some people think that that they're number one, they're the best, or they think that they're the best. Not everybody is you know every forecast is different, and hopefully everyone realizes that every single forecast is different. Every single forecast is not always the same. Like with the snow totals. I have been checking GFS model snow totals, and I did notice big changes with the snow totals for Michigan. I know, actually, as a matter of fact, I am going to look into that in a little bit and see where we are with snow totals. But really, to be honest with you, we could talk about severe weather, actually. As a matter of fact, we'll just do that. I don't even know why I put a 7 o'clock live stream, but that's okay. I'll have another one up in a little bit after this one. Um, so we can actually talk about severe weather. Is what we can talk about. I mainly rather see that everyone's got updates and everything. Everyone knows the right of way. Everyone's got the safety guidelines and everything. Everyone's prepared and everything. Because the way I look at it is that if people are not prepared for what may be happening, they may be in some serious danger. I care about everyone's safety. It's just that I feel that knowingly enough, doing and giving an advance heads up to everybody gives everybody enough time to prepare. Now, if the storm was actually here right now, then that wouldn't give people enough time. But the thing about it is that really surprised me that I got excited about was that last time there was last time we had a winter storm, it brought a ton of people to the store. A lot of people were buying groceries and everything. So like I said, it's hard to say. We might even have, come down the road. I have not looked at the GFS models yet. I haven't looked at any of that stuff yet, you guys. I thought I'd do something a little different tonight in the middle of everything. And then I'll work on the rest of the forecast. But I want to get the chance to have a little discussion with you guys and get some answers and stuff like that. Yes. Okay. So, I do want to go over a couple of things really quick, just so everybody knows that Southeast Michigan, there is a winter weather advisory in effect. So I just want to let you know about that. So just be prepared for that. I'll have updates on that in just a minute. I am going to check something really quick. Let me see if I can, I might be able to pull it up. Hold on. Let's see. Um, uh, no, it's gonna come up. Hold on. Let's see if I can get it. There we go. Okay, I was just checking to see what we had up there. So let me look on that. Let me look into this winter weather advisory and see where we are and everything else. So hold on a second. Okay. Uh, Thank you for commenting and telling me that you guys like the my webcam. Thank you very much. I had to find one because I've been meaning to do that. Um, oh, okay. All right. All right. Thank you for letting me know. I will make sure that I keep you updated and I will be around for sure. Um, so, okay. Sounds good. All right. Thank you. Sounds awesome. All right. So, while we're waiting, okay, let me see how we're going to do this. Okay, 1 second. This is my first time, so this is my first time doing this, you guys. I'm really trying. So let me see what we can find out about some updates here. 1 second. I'm gonna do something. Okay. Okay, I was just checking on some stuff. So we are going to get accumulating snow, so you guys know that. We are going to get that. But if you guys are wondering if we're going to get a ton of snow, there's going to be some areas in Michigan that will actually see more snow than others. Let me glance through that, and I'm trying to memorize all this so that way it's not confusing everybody. 1 moment, please. Um, okay, so the areas that have that, okay, the areas that will actually have more snow. We'll go ahead and go over that right now while I'm thinking about it. So, this is how we look at it. So, for the most part, the areas that will actually see more will be Adrian. Adrian will have between 3 to 4 inches of snow. Monroe, between 4 to 5 inches of snow. Ann Arbor, 2 to 3 inches of snow. Detroit, 1 to 2 inches of snow. Pontiac, 1 inch. And then for most of the other areas across Southeast Michigan and the Thumb region, about 1 inch of snow, and then Howe, 1 to 2 inches of snow. But mainly the duration of the uh, main action is going to be over in Ann Arbor, Adrian, and Monroe. So there's not really going to be any more accumulation the further north that you go. So 1 second. I'm going to see what other updates I've got. 1 second here. I'm trying to get caught up here. Okay. All right. So as we go into the rest of the evening, this is how it all shapes out while we're just waiting. Okay, so Light snow through late tonight. Winter weather advisory is in effect. We'll talk about that in a few minutes. The winter weather advisory is in effect until Sunday evening. Uh, so just thought I'd let you know about that. So we'll go ahead and go to that. So let me see what we have on here. There's two different things on here that I want to talk about. So let's see how we're going to do this first. I'm trying to figure it out. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm going to find a better way of doing this. That's what happens when they put all these updates on here. I'm not sure which one to click. So just 1 second while I figure it out, just to make it a little bit more easier for everybody. Let's see how we can do this. Oh, we'll figure it out. Okay, 1 second. The thing's loading. All right. Trying to find a better way of doing this, and I think I figured it out. I believe I did. Yes, I did. All right. I have the updates here. I'm going to go ahead and tell you some updates. So hold on for just a moment, please. All right. I'm giving updates regarding what's going on for our weather mainly, and then we'll focus in on the rest of it in just a moment. Okay, so with that said, for our hazardous weather outlook so far, that would be for Midland, Midland Bay, Saginaw, Socola, Siawassee, Genesee, Lapeer, St. Clair, Livingston, Oakland, and Macomb. This is what we can expect for the remainder of the rest of tonight. Low pressure will track into Ohio Valley tonight into Sunday and bring the likelihood of accumulating snow at this time. Locations south of I-69 have better chances of seeing snow accumulations up to an inch of snow will be possible overnight. Snow will be likely again after midnight tonight and may persist into early Monday. Day 2 through 7, Sunday through Friday. Snow will continue through Sunday through Sunday night. Less than an inch of snow is expected and should largely occur south of I-69. Snow will become likely Monday afternoon and evening east of a line from Port Sanilac to White Lake to Blissfield and Alberta Clipper drops through the region. Snow accumulations 1 to 2 inches will be possible, and that's pretty much where we're at with that. So somewhat we're going to have some action around here, unfortunately. So yes, it's going to be quite interesting. I'm going to see what else we've got. You're very welcome, and thank you for commenting on that. I appreciate that. Thank you so kindly. All right, let me see what other updates we've got, guys. Just 1 second. I'm looking to see what else we have. Let's see, where are we at? Here. All right. Okay. One moment. 1 second. Okay. So, basically, this is how it's all gonna turn out. So, light snow will track late tonight. And like I said, that winter weather advisory is in effect. I'll actually go over that in just a few moments here. So timing and duration, snow will spread in after midnight tonight from Ohio border north of I-94 before spreading over the advisory area after 3 a.m. Majorly accumulation occurs early Sunday morning. 1 to 3 inches of snow will mainly just be occasional light snow or flurries through the bulk of the day on Sunday. An additional 1 to 2 inches is possible near the Ohio border, downwind Lake Erie Sunday afternoon and evening. So that's pretty much where we're at with that part of the forecast. So pretty much for the most part, it's going to be some very interesting weather. We're not going to see like ice, or we're not going to see any of the freezing rain or anything like that. I'll have to watch it and see what happens from there. But all in all, I'll keep watching for more updates, and I'll let you guys know what happens with that. Now, the other thing we'll talk about is the winter weather advisory. We'll get to that in just a moment. Let me go to that really quick. We'll go ahead and do that. And then after that, then I'm going to basically start asking you guys some questions. All right, let's see what we have. Hold on 1 second, guys. I'm trying to get to it, and it's not letting. Come on. All right. Oh, that's the same thing. Okay, 1 second. I don't know what that was. Okay. We are going to talk about, this is probably the moment that everyone's been waiting for. Okay. We're going to talk about a winter weather advisory now, is what we're going to be talking about here. So this is how it's all going to go. So the winter weather advisory is for Washtenaw, Wayne, Lenawee, and Monroe County, and that does include cities of Ann Arbor, Detroit, Adrian, and Monroe. So winter weather advisory now in effect from midnight until 10 p.m. on Sunday. So snow expected, total snow accumulations of 2 to 6 inches of snow, where Lenawee, Wayne, Washtenaw, and Monroe counties from midnight tonight until 10 p.m. Sunday. And then impacts will be planned on slippery roads and road conditions. So quite frankly, it's going to be a mess out there for those people that are in the winter weather advisory. Look out. It's going to stir up some road problems. So if you're going to be traveling across Metro Detroit and you guys are in that winter weather advisory, I would just encourage you to use a lot of caution, please, when you guys are driving and traveling around the metro areas. Okay. So with that, additional details: snow will lift northward into southeast Michigan after midnight tonight. Heaviest snow activity is expected to fall between 4 a.m. 9 a.m. Producing the first 2 to 4 inches of snow. Lighter snow will persist throughout the afternoon and may glance out an additional 1 to 2 inches before ending around 10 p.m. Sunday evening. The highest snow totals are expected near the Michigan and Ohio line and across eastern Monroe County, downwind of Lake Erie. Lower snow totals are expected north of I-94 corridor in northern Wayne and Washtenaw counties. So pretty much that takes care of that. And then what? Okay, I'm starting to see questions here. Just 1 second, please. Okay. If you okay, I'm looking at the question here. Do you think that there'll be school closing? Okay, I would say the best advice that I can tell you guys is whenever there is a snowstorm, the best thing to do is to check when you get up in the morning and see if there are school closings. I don't have any idea if there's going to be um, any school closings. So I have no idea. All I can say is watch the news when you wake up in the morning and check. Or another thing you can do is if you get alerts on your phone, you can also get the alerts that way. Um, but if we were to get a very huge snowstorm in Michigan and it was going to be one that was going to bring us a ton of snow, then most definitely I would be saying yes. If we got like, let's say 10 or 12 inches of snow, just as a guess for an example. So if we got more snow than what they were talking about and it hit everybody, then there probably would be school closings. But with the way the path of the storm is, I don't really see it happening right now. So maybe when we have the next one, maybe I'm not quite sure, but I don't want to be popping a whole bunch of ideas in everybody's heads and say that it's going to affect everybody. Some areas in Michigan are going to see less. Some areas are going to see more. The numbers are scattered right out. I've looked it over. The numbers are scattered. It all depends on what county you are. If you know what county you live in, I'd be able to tell you that way. So if you want to know about that, I could tell you that way, but there's not really going to be a lot of snow accumulation. But I can tell you what, I can look at the snow totals again in just a little bit, and then I can tell you guys later on tonight when I do my second half of my live stream. We can talk about that. But if there was a big, huge snowstorm, then yes, and it lasted for a couple days, I can see us having school closings, but we'll just have to be watchful. That's all, because it's hard to say because things could change. I'm not quite sure. It's just been rather confusing with the snow totals. I've been watching them the last couple of days. I'm kind of bummed out. I'd love to see a little bit more snow. That'd be awesome. I even went grocery shopping and everything, and I'm already prepared. So I thought everybody was going to get a lot of snow out of this one. But, and the other thing I wanted to also ask you guys as well, if you guys do live in Michigan, please let me know how much snow has fallen in your area, your county. Please let me know how much snow has fallen in your state as well. Let me know how the weather has affected you as well. Do you guys have icy conditions? Do you guys have cold conditions? That type of thing. So if you guys can let me know if you guys are getting hit, like even if you live in the Northeast, let me know. Because I believe you guys are getting hit with that too. I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna look at something really quick. I know you guys are, so hold on. Yeah, yep, I was right. I was right. Okay, so yeah, if you live in the Northeast, you guys are going to get hit with the storm as well. You guys have winter storm warnings up, and you guys have winter weather advisories that are up in the Northeast. So if you guys live over there, hopefully I can hear from you guys as well on how much snow you guys got. Let me know in the comments, you guys, how much snow you got, what the conditions are. Is it snowing or not? Did you get hit with the snow at all? Did you get anything at all? Um, you know, just let me know. I'd love to hear from you. And yeah, if you guys get 10 10 or 11 inches of snow in your county, your state, let me know. Even people in the Northeast, let me know. I'd love to. I'd love to know if you guys got a lot of snow out there, and how many days did it take you guys to, you know, shovel out. The Northeast, people that live in the Northeast, let me know if you guys had uh, a couple days off from school from this winter storm. Let me know. That would be really cool to know. If you guys will get, let me think, where is it? Okay, somebody was asking a question on school closing in Kent County. I'll have to check around Michigan and see. Kent. I'll have to check. Okay, I'll tell you what, guys. That's a good question. Um, Whenever we have winter storms or anything like that, I think there is another good idea right there. Is that school closings might be another thing that I may also add to this as well. So I think school closings would actually be a good thing for my channel as well as traffic updates as well, just in case that there's accidents too. So I think traffic and school closing would be a perfect method, especially if we're dealing with that. And so I'll consider that. So I'll have to let you know when that's going to happen. I'm thinking about uh, starting to give you guys updates on school closings and stuff like that. I'm thinking next time Michigan has another snowstorm and we get hit hard, that will be another thing that I'll do. So I'll have to let you guys know about that as well. So that does sound very exciting there. I'll have to let you guys know in just a little bit on that. So you guys know I will be back on again at 7. If for whatever reason I'm not on at 7 o'clock, it's because I have something going on or whatever, but I wanted to kind of get everybody in tune of what was going on. So, really, there's not really. I'm gonna look at the radar really quick and see what's happening here in just a second. Let's see. Okay. All right. There's not any activity going on right now, but I did look on the radar and it is coming. The storm is coming. It's just taking its time. So, and it is a very monster of a storm. I can see that. So I'm just wondering how much snow everyone's going to see. I have checked numbers and I'll check them again. If we get different snow totals, I'll let you guys know. But unfortunately, it'd be nice to see that we all get a lot of snow out of this. But it's a little different this time, actually. And the other thing I was going to also ask you guys is how many people want to go outside and like uh, build a snowman? Because with all the snow, I'm sure you guys could actually go outside and build a snowman. That'd be pretty cool. So, um, what? Oh, I have another question here. Oh, okay, okay, yeah, sure. I have a problem with that. Oh, okay. Okay. All right. So, another thing I wanted to talk a little bit about is I really think it is also a good idea. Like when we get a lot of snow, Um, it's also a good idea to, what do you want to call it? To go to the grocery store and stock up on food and stuff, because the thing is, that's what I did. I went to the store a couple of days ago and I went and I got stuff and I stocked up on it, because I knew that this snowstorm was coming and I thought we were going to get tons of snow. But now we're not getting what I thought we were supposed to get, and I'm kind of bummed out. I was looking forward to it, and I even went out today thinking maybe I should get, some extra stuff just in case. Because it's hard to say what Mother Nature is going to do, but yeah. So I did that, and unfortunately, yeah. So uh, yeah, I am looking forward to doing live streams with you guys and basically uh, talking uh, about current weather conditions and stuff like that. So um, I am looking forward to. I'm going to look at some of your guys' questions really quick here while I have time. And then I'm going to end this because I know at 7 o'clock, I believe that's what time I had it on. I might even change it to a different time. I don't know if I can change it now because I've already got it set for 7 o'clock. I think it's 7 o'clock. Yeah. But it doesn't matter because I'm going to be coming back on anyway, so it doesn't matter. So let's see. I'm going to just see what other questions we might have here. Um, okay. Um, I do want to thank one of the viewers for giving me an idea. I really like your idea, which would be school closings. Yes, I will consider that. I think that will definitely help the viewers a long way. Is that to give them updates on school closings, but unfortunately, I do not have any updates right now. And that's because the storm itself hasn't even started yet, so I wouldn't know that until the next day. So, but school closings are definitely something that I will consider, most definitely. And then if you guys wanted traffic updates, let me know about that as well. But school closings, most definitely, I will keep that in mind. And I don't have a problem with that. But if we were to be impacted with a very, very huge snowstorm, then I would most definitely say, yeah, we're going to be impacted really bad. We're expecting a lot of snow. Not with this storm. Not with this storm, unfortunately. I was looking forward to that. That would have been nice. Then everybody would have had a snow day this week if that was the case. If we have larger numbers, other people would have the day off from school and everything, and they'd be at home and have the day off and relax and everything. So yeah. So yep. Okay. So there are just a couple of things before I wrap this up. I want to do this really quick, and then I'll see you guys next time. Um, I basically want to thank I want to thank everyone for tuning in that was able to make it in. I really appreciate that. I will keep you guys posted on the storm, on the snowstorm. I'll keep you posted on the snowstorm. If there's any new updates, I most definitely will give you guys up to date information on that. So if um, if the path changes and new information comes in, you'll be the first ones to know. So, regarding the snowstorm, we just all have to be very watchful and just be careful if you guys are going to be driving. So, once again, if you guys are in the winter weather advisory, there will be hazardous driving conditions. So please use extreme caution and remember to slow down. And that actually wraps it up. And I will see you guys at 7. Thank you so much for joining me on Eric's weather forecast. I really appreciate you guys joining me that could tune in. Thank you so much. And looking forward to seeing you guys in just a little bit. Thank you so much. You guys have a good day, and I'm looking forward to hearing your guys' comments. I will get to everybody's comments as quickly as I can, and I am responding to your guys' comments, your questions, and all of that. Uh, Thank you very much, everyone, for joining me this evening, and I will keep you posted. So, if there's any new updates on the winter storm, I most definitely will be going live here, and I will be giving you updates on the winter weather status and other potentials as well. I'll see everyone back here at 7. Thank you so much for joining me on Eric's weather forecast. Uh, Thank you. You guys have a nice night, and please remember to please subscribe, like, and all of that. And you guys have a nice night, and be careful. We'll see you guys in just a little bit. Thank you.